Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, how are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Students, you know that your favorite institutions has already started online classes. Today I will take a class about English first paper of class 9 and 10. The topics of my class is, you will look at the board, please. Unit 10, lesson 3B, and the title of my passage is They Had Dreams. 1. Students, please open your textbooks, page number 134. Students, please look at the picture. Do you know this woman? Yes, she is Pritilota. Today we will read about Pritilota. Let us read the text first. Pritilota Wadedar was born in Chattogram on 5 May 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Khastagir Government Girls School in Chattogram and Eden College, Dhaka. She graduated in philosophy with distinction, that means dignity, from Bethune College in Kolkata. In her college days, Pritilota was an activist in the anti-British movement. Here anti means opposition. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland free from British colonial rule. Students, I have read some lines. Now I will write some important words with their synonyms. Please look at the board. Here, first word, meritorious. It means brilliant. Next, graduated. It means 2K university degree. Next, the word activist. Activist, it means a member of a certain social and political group. Next, gender discrimination. Gender discrimination. Gender mission, it means inequality between male and female. Male and female. Next, colonial rule. Colonial rule, it means rule by a powerful country over a weaker country. Students, I have read some important words in order to understand the passage. Please look at the board. First, I have written meritorious. It means brilliant. From this word, I can say Prithilatha was a brilliant student. And next, the word graduated. It means took a university degree. So here I can say that Prithilatha took a university degree. She completed her graduation in philosophy and she completed her degree from Bethune College, Kolkata. Next, activist. It is an important word. We know Prithilatha was an activist of anti-British movement. Here, activist means a member of a certain social and political group. Next, gender discrimination and colonial rule. Gender discriminations, it means inequality between male and female, and colonial rule, it means rule by a powerful country over a weaker country. Dear students, from the last two words, gender discriminations and colonial rule, from the last two words, I can say Prithilatha dreamed of two things. One, that is, her country, there would be no gender discrimination, and her motherland would be free from British colonial rule. Dear students, I think you will be able to understand the process. Next, let us read the next para. So she decided to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Prithilatha became the head teacher of Nandakanan Apannacharan School in Chattogram. Yes, here the passage refers the profession of Prithilatha. Prithilatha was a head teacher of Nandakanan Apannacharan School in Chattogram. Gradually, she involved herself in Sujyo Sen's armed resistance movement. Here the word armed means bearing weapons and resistance means defiance, movement means struggle. Sujyo Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and revolutionary activist in Chattogram area at that time. In 1932, Sujyo Sen planned an attack on the Pahartoli European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign as its entrance, that means opening of the gate. Dogs and Indians not allowed. Sujyo Sen assigned Prithilatha to lead a team of 10 to 12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Prithilatha, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. Students, I have read again some lines. Now I will write again some important words and their description. Please look at the board. Please look at the board. Students, I will write the words, write the important words, and I will describe the words. Then it will be clear. Here, resistance, that means defiance, armed, bearing weapon. Organizer, that means planter. Again, revolutionary, that means devastating. Again, notorious, infamous. It means infamous. Next, raid. It means attack. Students, I have written some important words. Please look at the board. For the next para, I have written some important words. Firstly, resistance, defense, armed, bearing weapons. From the two words, I can say that Pitilata joint, and Pitilata, here the word refers, Pitilata involved herself in situation armed resistance movement. And organizer, that is planter, here the planter is Sudarshan. Sudarshan was a revolutionary activist in Chattogram area. Next, revolutionary, that means devastating. This revolutionary refers to the person, and the person is Sudarshan. Here, Sudarshan refers as a revolutionary activist in Chattogram area. Next, notorious, it means infamous. From this word, I can say there was a club in that time. The club's name was Partoli European Club, and in that club, at its entrance, there was a notorious sign, and the sign was dogs and Indians were not allowed. That means Indian people were hated by the British. Next, raid, attack. To attack the Partoli European Club, Sudarshan assigned Pitilata to make a team, 10 to 12 men, to attack the club. And for this reason, Pitilata attacked the club, and she did not get out of the club at last. Students, now we will read the climax of the passage. Please look at the text. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for freedom from the British colonial rule. Her dream finally came true. The British rule came to an end in 1947, though she couldn't see it during her lifetime. Students, I have already read the text, and from the climax, I will write some important words. Please look at the board again. Here, the word suicide, it means self-murder. Self-murder. Next, arrest means capture. Arrest means capture. Next, sacrifice. Sacrifice, it means penalty. Next, the phrase word, come to an end. It means to finish. To finish. Students, I have again written some important words from the passage. Please look at the board. Here the word suicide means self-murder. From the passage and from the word, I can say that Pritilota committed suicide. From the passage, we can say Pritilota committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. Arrest, that means capture, and suicide means self-murder. The two words refer that Pritilota committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. Then sacrifice. Here Pritilota advised us and advised for the all women that in the from the passage we can see she also proved that that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for freedom. It was her advice from the British colonial rule. It was her advice. I again say sacrifice. From the sacrifice, the word sacrifice means penalty, and from the word I can say Pritilota said every woman should be prepared for their motherland and to sacrifice their lives for their motherland. Next, the word come to an end, that means finish. Yes, the British rule here, the word refers that the British rule come to an end. The British rule came to an end, though Pritilota did not see it in her during her lifetime. Students, I have already read the passage and I have written some important words with their synonyms, and I have described the words in order to understand the passage. Students, now I will write some questions from our discussion. You will write these questions for your homework. Please look at the board again. When and where was Pritilota born? When and where was Pritilota born? Next, what did she dream? What did she dream? Next, what did Pritilota graduate in? What did Pritilota graduate in? Next, what did Pritilota prove? Next, who was Shudra Sen? Here students, at first I have read the passage, then I have written some important words, then I have described the words. I think you will be able to understand the passage successfully, and I also think you will be able to write the questions successfully. These questions are your homework. Finally, I want to say something about coronavirus. Students, you know, coronavirus has spread all over the world, and at present we are passing a very crucial time. So I advise you, please avoid social gathering, please maintain social distance, please wash your hands with soap or hand wash, please use hand sanitizer, use masks, and finally I want to say, please stay home and save your life. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. See you.